Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Subhangi and you're watching Glam, Mermaid. Welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video we will review Myglamm liquid matte lipstick, which is this. I have so many of them with me right here, so I thought why not just give a review and swatches so that it would be helpful for you if you want to choose from any of them. So that's why I'm making this video, and I have all kind of shades. Like I have brown, nudes, pink, peach, violet, and like every color. I have all sorts of color, red, starting from red, pink, nude, brown, every color I have. There's so many. So in this video I will review all of these lipsticks, and I will also do swatches so that it would be helpful for you. So in this video I'll also share how you can just claim your free lipstick from Myglamm website, and I'll also review, I'll give swatches and everything you need to know about these lipsticks. So if you're interested to know about this, then keep on watching. And before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, do subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below which shade you like the most. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about the packaging. So the Myglamm Lit Liquid Matte Lipsticks come in this sort of a cardboard packaging. So it's a very nice normal packaging. There's nothing fancy about this outer packaging. Like it is written Myglamm here, but yeah, everything is written on the packaging, like the manufacture date, the expiry date, the MRP. The MRP is, by the way, 395 rupees, and it is made in India, which is great, and it has a net quantity of 3 ml, which is good for a liquid lipstick, because liquid lipstick like finish nahi hota hai lipstick, so that's fine. Now let's open, and inside the packaging is like this. It is a normal plastic packaging with a plastic cap, but the initial Myglamm's initial is written here with a golden foil or anything like that, which is making the packaging look very classy. And it has a nice applicator, and it takes around 30 seconds to dry off completely, but once it dries, it's completely like transfer proof, matte, super matte finish. And if you're someone who likes matte finish, then this is something you need to try, because it has a complete matte finish. There is no like satin finish, velvet finish, no, it's completely matte. But yeah, it will dry your lips, because matte lipsticks do dry out your lips. But if you apply like good layer of lip balm within, like beneath, then that will not be a problem. It is not that super drying. It's not the super drying like Sugar, Smudge Me, Not Liquid lipstick, though they are my favorite because the color are like so good. But utna, if you have tried that, it's not that drying, but it's okay. Like normal matte lipstick itna to dry karega, you know. So yeah, that's all about the packaging and the formula. And it is, let's try. I have mehendi, so okay, I'm trying here. Nothing, it's like totally transfer proof. If you are having anything, it won't just transfer to the cup or spoon. It's not like that. It's completely transfer proof, and it is very long lasting. Like if you wear it once, it will last you for minimum 6 hours straight. ये fade out नहीं होता है आसानी से, and if you have like you have to remove it, then आपको एक oil based remover से remove करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise it's very difficult to get rid of it, because yeah, that's how it is made, because it's transfer proof and long lasting. So the formula is quite impressive for me, and you can just try it. It's hands up from my side. I liked it. So now let's move to the swatches. So watch the full video to know how to get free lipstick from Myglamm. I'll insert it anywhere between, so don't skip and watch the full video. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's move to the swatches, because I know you're watching. Because I know you're watching. Oh god. Because I know you are waiting to see the swatches, because that's why you're watching this video probably. So the first shade is this, the shade which I'm wearing. It's called LM23 Hookup. It's a very nice nude color with a hint of orange to it. So if you're on the fairer skin tone, then it will look very good on you. And if you are 1 to 2 shades darker than me, then also it will look great. But if you are like more than 2 to 3 shades darker than me, then it might wash you off. But you can just wear it with a dark brown lip liner. I love this shade. Moving forward, the next shade is this. This is called LM01 FBO. This is a like perfect pink color. It's a bright pink color, which is nice. Like a bright pink color should be there in your vanity, but this shade might not look good on the deeper skin tone. It might wash them off. It is already washing me off. I think I have to wear it with a maroon lip liner, otherwise it is washing me off. Not that much. I can wear it, but it is slightly washing me off. So if you are darker than me, then it will definitely wash you out. This color, this particular shade is best if you are on the fairer skin tone. But if you are on my skin tone or deeper than me, you have to wear a lip liner. After it's dry now, the shade slightly tones down, so you can see it's dry now, and now the shade is looking good, like on my skin tone. Okay, moving forward, the next shade is this. This is called LM34 Dodging, and it's a very nice plum, like dark plum color. Such color looks good on all the beautiful skin tone out there. From the fairest of the fair to the darkest of the dark, this color will look good on everyone. This is such a pretty color. It makes your face look so much more vibrant and nice. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. So this was the shade Dodging. Moving forward to the next shade is this. This is a proper nude shade, and this is called LM24 Micro Cheating. The names of Myglamm liquid matte lipsticks are so attractive and different. So this is a nude lipstick with a hint of brown to it. The last one, like this shade Hookup, was also nude lipstick, but this is having an orange hint to it, and this is having a chocolate brown hint to it. So yeah. So shades like this will look good on all the skin tone, and it is a perfect nude color for the deeper skin tone. If you're on the deeper skin tone, then it is really difficult for us, like me being a dusky girl. I know, like, it's very difficult to find a proper nude shade, and shade like this can be a perfect nude shade for the deeper skin girls. So if you're searching for a nude color for yourself, this is the perfect nude shade for you. I love this shade so much. It's so good. Like every skin tone girls can use it. if you are on the fairer skin tone, it will be more of a chocolate brown shade to you, and if you are on the deeper skin tone, it will be a nude shade for you. Moving forward is this shade. This is a red shade and this shade is called LM29CU46. This is also such a shade which will look good on all the skin tone out there. Like all the shades are good and none of the shades are washing me off like that much. Though this shade was a little bit like washing me off, but not that much. I can wear it. Moving forward to the next shade is this shade. This is called LM31 Sugar Mama, and this is a peachy pink color. So this shade is definitely washing me off. It's a peachy pink color, but yeah, I can't wear it without a lip liner. I have to wear a lip liner, like अच्छे से to wear it. And if you are darker than me, I'll suggest you to not to go with this shade, like go for any other shade but not this. Obviously it's your wish, you can buy it if you want to, but I feel you can't really use it. I think you can just go for other shades, they are beautiful as well. But I will prefer you not to go for this particular shade. This shade will look great if you are on the witchy skin tone with a pink undertone to your skin. Moving to the next shade is this shade. So this is a very dark shade and this is called LM36 Kittenfish. This is a very dark maroon kind of shade. This is also a very pretty color, and like every skin tone girls can go for this color. This will look good on everyone. And this is a very party apt color. This is not an everyday color for sure, but yeah, it will give your face a very bright look. So yeah, this is a nice color. To the last shade is this one, and this is one of the prettiest shade out of the shade I have. So this is called LM02 Love Bomb. This is like the perfect explanation to this shade will be like in Bengali it's called Dudhe Alta color. This is that shade. This is such a pretty shade. It's not pink, it's not red, it's like a very beautiful shade. So this is how the color looks. It's so pretty. Like it makes your face look so bright. And if you're wearing this shade, you will definitely get compliment. It's very pretty. And this color will also look good on all the skin tone out there. All because of you. So now let's talk about how you can get free lipstick from Myglamm. So it's very easy. Just you have to go to their website. You can just download it from Play Store. You can search Myglamm in Google, or you can go to their Instagram page and just their link. You have to click the link and you will just open. The site will be open. So any which ways you can just go to their site. When you will open the app, there will be option that you have to sign in. Okay, so sign in with a phone number and an email. Okay, you have to sign in with a phone number and an email. So give a phone number, email, they will send an OTP and you have to approve it, and that's it. And then there in the first page only it's written claim your free lipsticks and start the survey. So you have to click there, you have to give the survey. The questions are very basic, like which formula you like for your liquid lipstick, and which ingredient you like in your hair oil, in your hair shampoo, what's the brand you shop, and all of that. Very basic questions. You have to just give the survey and claim. Then you have to submit and claim your free lipstick. You have to choose the shade. You can choose the shade which is great, and then continue to check out. Okay, so once you're done, at first it will show the MRP. Okay, so you have to go to the coupon section, like apply coupon, and there you have to, like, there will be a coupon already, so you have to click that. The coupon is MGXO free. Okay, so you have to click on that specific coupon and it will be free, but you have to pay ₹99. That is the shipping charges. Yeah, it's not like you have like ₹0 पे आपको आएगा, नहीं, you have to pay ₹99. But if you think this is a good lipstick and if its MRP is ₹395, so if you are getting it for ₹99, which is very less than the MRP, it's great, right? So if you wanna try, you can try, and you can choose multiple shades. Like you can log in with different numbers, like your father's number, mother's number, and many have two numbers, so you can just log in with different email and phone number, and you can get many like ₹99 ka lipstick, which are initial like actual MRP ₹395. So that's all you have to do. But yeah, ₹99 जो आपको pay करना पड़ेगा. You have to pay that in online mode. You can use Google Pay, net banking, anything you can use, and you have to pay, but COD is not available. And within a week you will receive your, not free, but ₹99 ka lipstick. Yeah, that's the entire procedure how you can claim your free lipstick from Myglamm. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you and you like this video. And I hope I was able to help you guys who are wondering ki kaun sa shade chahiye and which shade will look good on you. So I think after watching the swatches, you can be clear ki which shade will look good on you. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And comment down below कि कौन सा shade आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया. And we will meet very soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.